What's up, guys? We are heading out for the day. I went on my run and took a shower, and we are going to some pier to go shopping. Zarek is a bit dismal because he lost in a game against Xander.
Yes, I'm so sad.
He's so sad.
He got destroyed.
Dad is the ultimate champion. Zarek is the ultimate stinker. Zarek, do you love sugar?
Zarek does.
Gummy cheese. Zarek, what is that? What did you pick out, Z?
What about
The ooze food.
sounds like LeBron candy?
No. Gosh, Mom.
I'm good.
Do you like it?
Brown chocolate.
Look at the interesting candies we got.
I'm sure Allie wants to make sure she gets your eating your ears too.
Yeah, show off what you got.
I got news too.
Ooh,
Hang on. Get this.
that's so gross. It's so gross.
Tastes good. Oh, it's busting good. Better talk to me. That's what
Yeah, Xander, definitely get that one.
I'm not sure.
No. If you pay for it, I'll be
Yeah.
All of the choices. Shell, what about you?
I could use. I use sunglasses.
You could use sunglasses?
I don't have any. I was looking at really like these.
Those are fire. It's very windy again, and we think it's gonna rain soon.
And I got some different photos of things.
Oh, what is that?
Shopping.
Is it good? So right now we're taking refuge in a store because it's pouring rain outside.
Are you ready?
No! I don't want to go. Is it cold? Oh. No, no, no!
Where are we walking to?
Es muy frío.
You have one giant spot on your butt as well.
Why are you? Ew! We made it to the car! Mom, where are we going next? What's up? We're back in the room eating lunch. Derek, what do you have for lunch today? Sandwich? What's on there?
Meat, pickles, and mustard.
Oh, that's fire! No cheese or anything. Nice. It's raining pretty bad, so we're just eating lunch in the room. Ooh, what's that? Stop. What's up, fam? We're about to go thrifting in the rain. You guys are looking so weird. We're the normal people. What are we doing, Mom? Never mind.
Bad word.
So it actually ended up being freezing outside. Z, what do you think it is? I'm thinking it's 30 degrees.
I think it's 20.
Actually, it's 15. Mom's the only one dressed appropriately. It's very cold.
Cold.
Yes, we are going thrifting. Oh, see, those are fire.
Girl.
Turtle girls. Cute. This one's so cute. You want to pedal down? Back at the room. Whoa. What's up? Here is my haul of everything I got from Goodwill. Are you watching? Got this top. Zarek actually found this. This Monsters University big sweater long sleeve thing. Fire. This crazy. Of course I had to get it. The BB shirts. Ooh. Bibit. My fave. This cute little sweater. And it's like cable knit material. Oh, I got two more things, but one of them's not in here. This cute little like sweatery shirt. It's very nice. I don't know where it's from. And then I also got this leather mini skirt that's not in the bag for some reason. Yeah, overall good haul at the Goodwill. Xander, what did you get?
Oh, I got a belt.
Drip. What's up? It's 8:08 p.m. and Zarek and I are going to the gym. Yes! We're gonna be running on that treadmill, unfortunately.
1 mile.
Oh. Heck yeah, just fire. Stop. Going for a night walk. Oh, big in bed, all sweaty still. I could go for some ice cream actually. We should take the car. Oh, yeah. Bobby Burger. Too funny. Okay. Oh. I thought I was gonna go in the pool. We found the cats from yesterday. Zeke, go get them. We have to get them. Is this their domain? No. No. Oh my god. They go under the house. That is the cutest cat I've ever seen. Guys, the boardwalk is actually open. We're gonna go on a little night hike down the boardwalk. There's the resort. Me and Zarek are scared of the alligators. I think we'll be good, low key. Okay, your sweat stain is so funny. Your sweat stain, yeah. Zarek is terrified.
I'm calling the alligator.
So, it's pretty, it's just a little scary. What? There is nothing moving in the water. Actually, I did hear a splash earlier. Oh, did you hear that? Stop! Today on alligator hunting, so far, Zarek is literally freaking out.
Dude, my pants have a poop.
There was this squeaking the whole way down, and he's like, "What is that?" It was literally his shoes. Yeah, so now we're walking. We didn't even make it all the way down because someone's so scared.
It's just cold. I feel like we should get better fits.
It is chilly. And there could be some pretty cool pictures out here too. I feel like there's really like relaxed rules at this resort. Like 24-hour gym. And like,
It was like an old resort, now it's a great bottom.
oh, that makes sense. Well, I think we're heading back to the room. Oh my goodness. There's one here. Two, three, four. Look at me. Hi, kitties. Hello. The hot tub is open now. Are you literally here? No, we're walking barefoot. We're walking up 4 flights of stairs to avoid seeing people in the elevator. Barefoot? Gross. Is it gross? Hello, it is 11:30 and I think that I am the only one awake right now. I just took a quick shower because I don't want to run in the morning. I think I'm gonna do it in the afternoon, but tomorrow we are going to a state park to go hiking and yeah, it should be fun. Oh my goodness, look who is still awake. Hello. Good night. Good night. Good night.